CryptoTrader.tax automates the entire cryptocurrency tax reporting process. In this video, we'll demonstrate how you can import your trades and generate your tax reports when using platforms like Coinbase. In step 1, we'll simply select Coinbase as an exchange that we've transacted on. In step 2, import trades, we can either import our Coinbase transaction history by importing the CSV transaction history file that Coinbase exports to all of its users, or we can simply connect our Coinbase account through read-only access API. This API will automatically pull in all of my Coinbase transactions. As you can see, with the click of a button, we're able to pull in our trade history from Coinbase. We can review all of our buys, sells, and Coinbase transactions to make sure everything looks good. Once we're set, we can create our tax reports segregated by year with the click of a button. Once our tax reports are complete, we can click in and view our entire net gain or net loss displayed in our home fiat currency. Here we're in US dollars. Every single taxable event is listed for our records. We can even see our end-of-year position report, as well as a complete audit trail detailing every single taxable event and how it was calculated. From here you can grab your IRS Form 8949 and download it, or even download forms to directly import your tax report right into TurboTax. You can get started completely for free at CryptoTrader.tax.